right. So water signs, specifically Cancer. How are you? Hopefully you are doing well. So this is going to be your weekly reading. So please take what resonates, leave what does not. These are Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So please use these to however you see fit. I do have the window open, so hopefully that's not too loud for you. If it is, I do very much apologize. But this week, I will be looking at the positives. I will be using The Wisdom of the Oracle by Colette Baron Reed. And then next week, I'll be using the Threads of Fate Shadow Edition to see what shadows and shadow energy you're kind of working with. So it'll kind of change every week, but one week it'll be positive, one week it'll be more or less the negative. I wouldn't say the shadow work, but that is kind of the intention, to kind of look on the darker side of what's going on. So Cancer, let's see what's going on for you this week. We've got the Observer. Okay. Loyal Heart. Tick tock. Okay. So I feel as though, Cancer, you are looking at a particular energy situation. Take it for however it resonates for you. But I feel as though you're looking at something, and I feel as though you're trying to stay balanced. You're trying to stay loyal, as the card says, to the balanced energies that are here. And you'll notice that there are two of them here. And it's one of those energies where it makes me feel, cause the heart, there we are. It makes me feel as though you are trying to balance more or less a love energy to you. But with TikTok, there is a time limit. I feel as though that with whatever it is that you were doing, whatever it is that you were trying to balance, I feel like it is kind of time sensitive. So we'll see what wants to come through, and I can't use that one because I don't have permission to use it. So let's see where we're going. But it doesn't feel as urgent as what Gemini's was last week. Because Gemini's, I definitely feel like it was it's very fast-paced. With this, I do feel like it is time-sensitive, but it doesn't feel like it's an, oh my god, you have to make a decision right now. So we'll see if there's a more clear, definite time frame, and we'll go from there. So let's see what wants to come through. It's very interesting. With the Observer, we've got the Hierophant, the Queen of Swords, and the Eight of Cups. I'm going to move this. I feel like I'm going to knock that over. And then with Loyal Heart, we have the Ace of Wands, the Two of Swords, and the Knight of Swords. Yeah. Then with TikTok, we have the Eight of Pentacles. We've got the Queen of Cups. Got the Five of Pentacles. I hate the way that this energy is showing up, because I know a few people that this would resonate with. So some of you could be dealing with some boundaries, and you may not be, it's funny how this shows up, because you may not be the subject of these boundaries. Somebody is setting boundaries, whether they'd be traditional boundaries or whether they be like, you know what, these traditional boundaries are not for me. I think you're observing this. I don't feel as though this energy is your energy that is affecting you. I feel as though you're viewing this. And with the Loyal Heart, what comes in is the Ace of Wands, the Two of Swords, and the Knight of Swords. Thank you. I'm hearing the word impartial, and I feel like that's why the Two of Swords shows up. I feel like you're trying to remain impartial in something, and I feel as though you're wanting to kind of pass through quickly. You want it to kind of be over and done with. And I understand it may be a situation that you're not too terribly happy with. And, we'll clarify more of what's going on here. But with TikTok, we do have the Eight of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. Now, this is where your energy shows up. Because I feel as though there's almost a strain or a rush to do the work, to get things done, to get things rebalanced. And that's almost why I feel as though this TikTok isn't time sensitive, because it's not actually time sensitive. It's time sensitive to you. It's time sensitive to you. So we'll see. I want to clarify a few things. So first and foremost, what is this Hierophant energy up here? What is that? And just give me a couple. Nine of Pentacles, Chariot, Seven of Wands. Yeah. The Hierophant is tradition. We've got the Nine of Pentacles, the Chariot, and that's met with resistance. I feel as though that some particular situation is going against what doesn't make somebody happy, or what doesn't make somebody feel good with this Nine of Pentacles here. And so they're quick to the resistance, because it's like, no. And so, I mean, I guess I understand that energy. What is this Queen of Swords? Clarify this boundary energy here. Because the Queen of Swords is kind of that, it's kind of like the King of Swords, but it's not. We've got Virgo with the Hermit, the Two of Wands, and underneath we've got the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah. I feel as though somebody is almost stepping away from the situation. It's like, okay, enough of this. What more can come in that is going to be beneficial? And so that's why I feel like the Eight of Cups is here. This person could very well feel it's time to walk away. This person could very well feel as though that the universe is shifting them in a different direction, whatever that may be with that Eight of Cups. I don't want to look at that too terribly closely, whatever the reason may be. But then we've got, you know what? I just saw the Four of Swords underneath. I'll take that. Temperance and the King of Swords. Yeah, it's healing. It's about balancing the energy. And with the King of Swords being here, not the King and Queen of Swords, I do feel like it is about a boundary, or boundaries. So going forward, what is this Two of Swords here? Eight of Wands, Hanged Man, Death. Yeah. I feel as though you're wanting communication to come in. You're wanting the rebirth to happen. But with this Two of Swords, she's kind of not moving anywhere. She can't see. And it's not the fact that her hands are bound, but she's got swords in them. So she can't really swing her sword without really hurting or hitting anyone. So she's kind of staying out of it, which I feel like is you. Understandable. Very much understandable. Now, what I don't understand is with this TikTok, why you feel the need to fix it. Clarify. Okay. Empress, Three of Wands, Six of Wands, Sun. Yeah. I don't normally see the Empress this way, but with the Empress, you could very well be a mom. And you could be watching this from a mom's perspective. And, it's one of those instances where they resonate so clearly. And even though I'm not a Cancer, I do know a water sign that this very well could resonate with. And seeing this energy as it is, I know you could very well be a mom figure with this Empress energy. It's very balanced, it's very loving, it's very caring, it's very feminine energy. With this Three of Wands and Six of Wands, you want things to move forward in a better way. And I understand. But I'm here to tell you, as a son, I would say this to my mom, that you can't fix everything. And kids have to experience things for what they are. The kids are going to have to experience things for what life is. But with that experience comes wisdom. And I feel like with this TikTok, I feel like it's time sensitive to you because you want things to get better, and I see that here. And if it comes in through the cards, I'll take a look. Tell me about the situation. No, let me clarify. Don't tell me about the specifics of the situation. Will this balanced energy prevail? Oh, we also have the sun here. Ace of Cups, Ten of Swords, Nine of Cups, Ten of Pentacles. Yes. But I don't think that this energy comes from you. The only thing that you can do for the situation is bring love into the situation and stay out of it. This is kind of what it boils down to. And I don't normally see the cards this way either. With this Ten of Pentacles, I almost see it as the Hierophant. I almost see it as tradition. I almost see it as a traditional way of doing things. And with this Nine of Cups, it almost reminds me of this Nine of Pentacles that clarified it. And it was the personal, this doesn't feel right to me. So with this energy showing up, it's very interesting that I see it this way because I almost see it as a traditional value or a traditional way of doing something that is coming into conflict with somebody's personal happiness with this Nine of Cups. But you are only viewing this, which is very interesting because I would see this from, I'm an Aquarius, so I'm an Aquarius Pisces. Let me clarify. So intuitively and collectively, I would kind of see this energy, and I do see this energy, but at the same time, you can't fix it. This energy is going to have to work itself out. Yeah, this energy is going to have to work itself out. I feel like this is you. I don't know why I feel like this is you, but I feel like this is you. This is Sag energy. But it's surrounded by two cup givers. I don't feel like the cup givers are you. I feel like you are sitting in this divine feminine energy that came up earlier with the Empress. And these are different offers coming from around you. So this isn't for you. I feel like the energy will move forward when the time is right. Chopped wood is the next one. There's nothing for you to do here. There's nothing for you to do. No matter how much you want to help, it's okay. Right now, you just need to send love both ways, observe it, and kind of stay out of this one. This is not your fight. Okay? Okay. There's a lot here. Let me see what I can do. There's a lot here because I pull so many cards, but that's okay because I like to get the message across. All right. Let me see if I can do this in one kind of swoop. Virgo, Cancer, Taurus, Sag, more Sag, Aquarius, more Sag, and Libra, Leo, more Sag, Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius. One more time, just in case I missed anyone. Virgo, Cancer. Yeah, Virgo, Cancer. Cancer, you show up here with the Chariot. Then we've got Taurus, Sag, shit ton of Sag, Libra, Leo, and then Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius. Those are what I see. Remember, this isn't your battle. This isn't your fight. It's going to be okay, but it's not for you. Okay? Okay. All right, Cancer, this is what I have for you. I really, really hope this helped. And I will see you all later. Bye, guys.